In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add note in Sejda PDF Editor. We'll walk through adding a simple text note to any PDF using Sejda, a free browser-based editor. This is perfect when you want to add clarifications, reminders, or context directly on a page without installing software. First, open your browser and head to sejda.com. This is the home page where Sejda lists all its PDF tools. Because it's web-based, it works on most computers, and you can follow along without creating an account. On the home page, look for the option labeled Edit a PDF Document. It's free. Click that. Sejda offers many tools, but this one opens the full PDF editor and is the best choice for adding a visible text note onto your pages. Next, click Upload File and choose the PDF you want to annotate from your computer. Select your file and confirm. Depending on the file size and your connection, it may take a moment to load. If the PDF has multiple pages, Sejda will display a preview so you can move to the page where you want the note. Once your document opens in the editor, find the Text tool in the toolbar. Click it to activate text editing. This tool lets you place a new text box anywhere on the page, which is exactly what we need for a note. Now click on the area of the page where you want your note to appear and start typing. Keep your note concise and clear. You can adjust the font size and style using the formatting options that appear, so make your text readable and consistent with the document's layout. If your note needs emphasis, increase the size slightly or choose a bold style. For clarity, place your note near the relevant content without covering important text or graphics. You can click and drag the text box to reposition it, or use the handles to resize it. If you make a mistake, simply select the text and edit it, or use the undo option to step back. When you're satisfied with your note's content, size, and placement, apply the changes. This finalizes your edits and prepares the updated PDF. Take a quick moment before applying to scan the page and confirm everything looks exactly how you want it, especially alignment and readability. That's it, you've added a note to your PDF using Sejda. This straightforward approach is great for quick annotations, feedback, and personal reminders directly on the page. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this guide as you work through your own document.